Hello and welcome to our Pilates basics. We're going to do an exercise called crisscross. So as the cross part of the name might suggest, we're going to be targeting the oblique abdominals that allow us to twist, and we'll also be working on the hip flexors as well. So we start this on our back. So with this one, we want to work with an imprinted spine. So we're pressing the lower back down into the mat. And as you've got that nice imprint down into the mat with our T-zone on, so our two hip flexors moving towards each other, pubic bone moving towards the belly, float the legs off so that you are in tabletop. So from here, hands interlock behind the hands, behind the head. Elbows are nice and wide. We use an inhale to tighten the T-zone. As we exhale, I extend one leg away whilst drawing the opposite knee, and I reach one rib towards the opposite hip. So you can either think of it as shoulder or rib to hip. I like to think of it as rib to hip rather than hunching into the shoulders. That helps me expand open. Then I inhale back to the center, exhale, twist to the other side. So join me for this next one. Inhale, meet in tabletop. Exhale, extend and twist. Inhale, back to center, rib to opposite hip. Inhale, center. Exhale as you lengthen and extend. Good. So straight away, if you're finding this is quite challenging, you might want to come down in between each one to give your abdominals a little break. If you want to make this more challenging, the leg goes further down, the shoulder comes further off. But make sure again that you're keeping the spine connected to the mat. We don't want to have any arching in the back. Great. Keep lengthening energy out through the legs, out through the toes. So we've got these beautiful long legs. That's it. Keep the elbows nice and wide. Maybe a little smile on the face. You've got one more each side. These are quite strong, so be proud of yourself for doing these. One more. You got this. And then gently lower down, hug the knees to the chest.